Hello and welcome to Packet Tracer Lab 5413 Configure Extended IPv4 ACLs scenario number 2. In this scenario, specific devices on the LAN are allowed to various services on the servers located on the internet. First part of instruction is configure and name extended ACLs. We need to implement the policies of blocking HTTP and HTTPS access from PC1 to server and server 1 and 2. And as I said, servers are inside the cloud and you only know their IP address. Then we block FTP access from PC2 on server 1 and 2, and we block ICMP or ping from PC3 to server 1 and 2. And for step 1 of that, we deny PC1 access to HTTP and HTTPS service on the servers 1 and 2. Part A, we need to create a named extended IP access list on the router RT1. To do that, we go enable configure terminal, and then we go to IP access list extended, we call it ACL. Then we deny TCP of host 172.30.1.101 to host 64.101.255.254, and then equal to port 80. And as you see, options, we have port 80 for HTTP here. So say 80. And again, the same thing for 443. So we will block HTTP and HTTPS, which is port 443 and for HTTPS, and port 80 for HTTP. So from PC1 to server 2, we need to deny server 2 as well. So what we do the same thing for 103 and for port 80 and 443 again. This is server 2. And for step 2, we need to deny PC2 to have access to access FTP service on server 1 and 2. So we deny TCP host 172.30.1.102 host 64.101.255.254 equal to, as this is 21 FTP, and also the same thing for server 2, which is 103, which equal to 21. Next one, we need to deny PC3 to ping server 1 and 2, which is ICMP. So deny ICMP host 172.30.1.103 host 64.101.255.254 and also to 103. This will deny any ICMP packet from PC3 to server 1 and server 2. And then we need to permit any other traffic. Say permit IP any. And to confirm that, we can get a show access list, and as you see, we have 9 lines, 101 to www and 443, and then 102 we have 2 to FTP, and then we have 103 to ICMP, which is the ping. Now we need to apply that access list to the interface. So if we go to interface G00, we can say IP access group ACL, exactly the same as what we typed before, and coming inside the RT1. Now let's test it. We go to PC1 and we try to do FTP, access FTP to server 1 and server 2, and user and password is Cisco. So we say FTP and then the IP address of that server, and username is Cisco and password is Cisco. As you see, we are inside the server, and with quit we can go out and ping server 1 and server 2 from PC 1. All good. And we do it for PC2. FTP. As you see, it's not allowed to do that. It's not allowed to connect to FTP server because of our access list. And then if we ping that, we can ping. So if let's have a web server access, see if we can have access to that. From PC1, and then we try to do the same thing from PC2. It's allowed, and as you see, we can access to the web from PC2, but from PC1 and from PC3. We can have access to like PC1. I hope you enjoyed this lab, and we will see you in the next lab.